Consider this biology question. At fertilization, what happens? A, one chromosome from the male joins another from the female. B, one gene from the male combines with another from the female. C, the male nucleus fuses with female nucleus. D, one set of chromosome combines with another set from the male. E, one cell from the male fuses with another from the female. The correct answer to this is option C. First of all, fertilization is a type of sexual reproduction. You know, we have several types of sexual reproduction. We have fertilization, we have conjugation. These are the two most common ones. So fertilization and conjugation. Now, fertilization simply means fusion of gametes. That is, one gamete from the male will fuse with the other gamete from the female. Gamete means the reproductive cell. So the reproductive cell, that is the male gamete. Male gamete in animal is known as sperm or spermatozoon. So the plural is spermatozoa. Now, male gamete in plants is known as pollen. So sperm is in animals for male. Pollen grain is in plant, that is the male gamete in plant. Then female gamete in animal and both plants is known as egg or ovum. So they have the same name for both plant and animal. Now, the sperm will combine with the egg, will fuse together with the egg by means of their nucleus. So all the reproductive process that involve fertilization involve the fusion of nucleus, because nucleus is the part or the organelle of the cell that houses the genetic materials. So it contains the DNA. So, and that is how first of all, the two gametes are contain haploid nucleus. So when they now fuse together, that's what leads to the complete diploid nucleus, the formation of the complete diploid nucleus, which is the zygote. So in the case of human being, so 23, the nucleus of the male contains 23 chromosomes, while the nucleus of the female too contains 23 chromosomes, because they are both haploid nucleus, haploid cell. When they now fuse together, that's what leads to the complete 42 nucleus that we always have in our 46 that we always have in our cell. So that means the correct answer to this is option C. Other options are not the best. If you consider this now, one chromosome, so it doesn't even involve one chromosome. So instead, we go for nucleus, which houses the entire chromosome. One gene, this is just a genetic information. Gene has to do with the traits, so it doesn't follow. So this was the one set of chromosome. So since we are talking about set of chromosome, so the nucleus is the best to go for. So one cell from the, no, it's not the entire cell. It is the nucleus that helps the process. That's fertilization. Thank you.